For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Rajasthan Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot has claimed that he has the support of 30 MLAs and the Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot-led government has been reduced to a minority. Pilot has been incommunicado for the last 2 days as some of his supporters remained in the national capital region. However, no official announcement has been made by Pilot on him joining the BJP. Senior Congress party leader Randeep Surjewala has shown confidence that the party's government in Rajasthan will complete its 5-year term and has said that the BJP has no reason to cheer. Surjewala reached Jaipur along with party colleague Ajay Makhan late on Sunday night. The two leaders have been sent by the Congress as central observers to save the party's government in the state. Tapan Ghosh, leader of right-wing organization Hindu Samhati, who had tested COVID-19 positive, died at a city hospital on Sunday. He was survived by 2 sisters. According to his associates, Ghosh was admitted to a city-based private hospital last week. 38 Raj Bhavan staff, including 28 police personnel, have tested positive for COVID-19. 10 family members of Raj Bhavan staff also tested positive for COVID-19. Telangana on Saturday and Sunday conducted rapid antigen tests for COVID-19 since few of the Special Police Battalion personnel tested positive in RT-PCR test as a part of contact tracing. Home Minister Amit Shah has said that India, despite being densely populated, had coped well with the COVID-19 crisis under Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Amit Shah added that there was no sense of panic in India over the outbreak. Amid the Indo-China border tensions, the Indian Army is set to receive state-of-the-art assault rifles from the United States of America. The Indian Army is laying the groundwork to buy an additional 72,000 6R assault rifles for its troops from the United States. The Union Human Resource Development Ministry has directed schools across the country to prepare a detailed database of children of migrant workers. The department also asked the schools to ease admission norms for the children of these migrant workers. The air quality of Delhi remained in the satisfactory category for the 3rd day on Monday morning as the overall air quality index was recorded at 69. The dip in AQI was observed as there was an increase in the concentration of both PM10 and PM2.5 pollutants. The Indian Meteorological Department has said that the monsoon trough, a low-pressure line which had shifted northward to the Himalayan foothills, bringing extremely heavy rains of over 20 cm to northeastern and eastern states, has started moving southward. IMD added that with the moving of the monsoon system, active monsoon rains are likely to resume over northwest and central India between 14th of July to 16th of July.